All right, you guys, let's get right into it. As you can see, I'm starting off with my brows. I am using the Anastasia's Dip Brow, and this is in the color of dark brown. Now, today I will just be running a few errands with my family, so I'm not being really precise again today. We're not trying to just slay, but we're gonna slay regardless, if you know what I mean. But yeah, I'm just getting ready to just get out of the house. So we're just going to do a quick face just to look put together. Now, this is still the Pro Concealer. I want to say this is in the color Toffee today. And I'm just going to line my brows with that as well as under my eyes to conceal the darkness. And y'all, we already been through this. I use a lot of concealer. Like, there's no doubt about it. You see me do my makeup, you're gonna see concealer. Like, I don't use it sparingly at all, to remind you. So, yeah. Now, I do have brushes for this kind of stuff, but didn't feel like using them today. Which, hey, you're gonna notice that about me. Like, I am 100% real. Like, sometimes I'm fancy, sometimes I'm not, but I do what gets the job done. Okay, you guys, that other concealer was definitely in Coffee. So I'm now going to take my concealer in Fawn and I'm going to add it around my lip area. And then I'm just going to blend it in with my flat tipped brush. Now I'm just going to continue to work my way up my face, just kind of blending in all the concealer added already. I'm just going to try to blend it all out prior to putting on my foundation. I'm just going to go in with my Tarte foundation. I do need some more of this, but this is the Amazonian Clay foundation. It's really good for oily skin. Now, I will tell you that a little goes a long way with this foundation. It is a full coverage foundation, so you do not need very much. I'm now going to take my Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray, and I'm just going to spray it one time on my large stippling brush to help blend in the foundation. To me, this step helps to spread the foundation evenly on your face. And notice I'm mainly going in with the patting motion first. For this particular foundation, I feel that it works best when it's patted into your skin and then buffed out later. And now it's time to buff. As you can see, I'm just using the same brush as I used before, and I'm just moving in a circular motion now, blending in the foundation as best as possible. And now I'm going to move right along to my lips. Yeah, that's another one of those lippies that I will be revealing really soon. This is just one of the glosses. When it comes to glosses, I do like my glosses to have a slight tint to it. So as you can see, this does have a little bit of tint, but it definitely gives you that shine and luster that you need. And now I'm just going to use my go-to brand for eyeshadow, Juvia's Place. This is the Nubian. And I'm just going to use an eyeshadow brush and apply my first color. If you have this palette, just go to the first one on the second row. I don't have the name on me right now. But it is a very pretty golden color. And now I'm just going to take the third color on the first row to just help blend that color in with my eyelid. This is kind of more of my transition color. It's very subtle, not very dark. But I am going to go with a darker shade just so it can show up a little bit better. I'm now going to go with a darker color for this palette. And I'm just going to add that into my crease. And then I'm going to take a flat brush just to use around the upper part of my eyelid to line my eyebrows. Now I'm going to use a blending brush to kind of just mesh it all together. Nothing too fancy, but it gets the job done. I do like to kind of clean up my eyes by using my foundation brush just to kind of clean up any of the eyeshadow that may have dripped onto my face or I guess spilled onto my face. And now I'm going to contour. I'm now going to go in with just this darker shade of the Pro Concealer. This is like a dark brown, but I will be inserting the right color right now. Now that I've gotten that applied all over my face where I want it, I'm just going to take a small blending brush and blend it in. I think it's very good for you to just kind of like tuck in your cheeks or pucker your lips just so that you can see your indentions in your face a little bit better. It helps to place your concealer in the right spot. So after you finish blending everything in, it should look something like this. Very natural, very subtle. But I do want to add a little bit more glitz to this look, and I'm going to go in with a highlighter. This is an AOA highlighter. I do like this color. I don't remember the name, but it will be added. So yeah, I'm just adding that to my cheeks, and then I'm going to take the excess from the brush and just highlight my nose. So yeah, you guys see it. The glow is there. It's really pretty. After applying my foundation, I do always go back in with a spoolie and just blend out my brows. You never want to leave your brows how they are when you apply them. You definitely want to blend it out so that it looks a little bit more realistic. Now, after looking at my face, I did think that I needed a little bit more color to my eyelid. So I did take a color that was a little bit more golden and add that on top. Now that I'm done, I'm going to take my setting spray and spray my face. Let that air dry, and then add my mascara. And yeah, I'm bragging, no lashes. But of course, you already know I go in with 2 mascaras. So I'm now applying the pink one for volume. And I guess I got too happy because as you can see, I got the mascara on my lid. I didn't notice it until after recording the video, but I did fix it later on. Now I'm just adding another one of those unrevealed lippies. But it's real cute though, right? Now, since I am in a twist out, I am letting it dry. I am not taking my hair down, so I'm going in with my hat. So yes, ladies, if you're letting your twist out dry and you're not quite ready to take it down, throw on a hat and still get out the door. As you can see, it's still very cute. Just let your twist hang out in a little ponytail and you're good to go. But make sure you slick down those edges. It's a must. And yeah, so you guys, this is the finished look. Shout out to the Mind Clothing by Brandon Todd. That's the gear that I am rocking in this video. Throw up some earrings. And yeah, girl, you're ready. So you guys, I hope you enjoyed this cute but casual get out the house, get ready with me today. As always, remember to like, comment, and subscribe.